Zex Bantwini has decided to bring some spice to the entertainment industry by launching the Zex Bantwini Foundation, which aims to empowering young people who want to make it to the entertainment industry. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But we know Zex Bantwini as the best when it comes to making music and, of course, winning several awards. And he is, of course, married to the one and only Nandi Madida. The Grammy Award winning musician and entrepreneur Zakhele Zex Bantwini Madida officially launched the Zex Bantwini Foundation at the luxurious Saxon Hotel on Friday evening, bringing together some of the country's most influential figures from politics, business, and entertainment. The glamorous black tie event Batsandi Bumkosi attracted high-profile guests including Mackenzie Panyaza, a businessman Dr. Sizwe Nxasane, media personalities Lerato Kganyago, Thibo Touch, as well as music duo Liquid Deep. This was, of course, reported by a Sunday World. Batsandi also in attendance was his wife, singer and entrepreneur Nandi Madida, alongside rising Afro house artist Azuro D. The foundation aims to create opportunities for young South Africans through programs focused on music, arts, education, sports, and entrepreneurship. It will provide mentorship, leadership, development, industry training, and career building opportunities for aspiring creatives and young leaders. Speaking during the launch, Madida said the initiative was inspired by his own journey and the challenges many young people face when they try to break it into the creative industry. Several programs will be introduced by this foundation, including Empowering Her, workshops for women in music, sports, and the art, a youth talent incubator under Manyuni Productions, the Business of Music Summit, a creative arts festival, and sports leadership, digital media training initiatives. The organization's board include businessmen Saki Zamkaga, Athandeka Ndlovu, and Cindy Machingi, who will help steer the foundation's long-term vision and impact. This is indeed a beautiful initiative that Zex Bantwini has decided to start. Imagine being part of it, whereby you'll be lectured, mentored, and also encouraged by the Zex Bantwini and all of the important figures that were mentioned. Hopefully, majority of Mzansi young leaders will be part of it, more especially those who want to be entrepreneurs and those who want to break it to the entertainment industry. Because honestly, we all know that the entertainment world is not as cool or easy as we see it from inside. It takes serious work, a dedication, and a good crafting of your art there and there for people to actually notice you. So this is Zex Bantwini's foundation. Hopefully it will be supported for, and it is going to be one of the successful foundations in South Africa, because we know most of the foundations, they do start, but they do not actually make it thus far. So please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about Zex Bantwini's new business idea? Do you think it is going to help Mzansi? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.